We've come to see someone very special, Mr. Gary Silver. Gary has Lanoguarded not one, but all 7 of his cars.
Here we have the Lanoguard that I use. Dead easy, it's got a spray nozzle. First of all, over here, got my Porsche 911 Super Sport Carrera Targa. I've had this one for 15 years and I bought it because I had a 911 Turbo, same colour, and I loved it, so I wanted to get another one, but I didn't buy a turbo because I don't need a turbo at my age. Okay, so the next one, completely different. My little Citroën 2CV, 1987 this one. I love these because they're so quirky. Just, if you haven't driven one, you need to, because they don't go fast, but they put lots of smiles on your face. So smiles per miles, you can't beat it. Now for the eagle-eyed amongst you, you might recognise this car because it has been on driveway icons before, because I took it down to Lanoguard last year, I think it was, to get it done by them. The only thing that's different is the number plate's changed, but it is the same car. Next car is my modern runaround. This is a 2007, or was it 2008? 2008 John Cooper Works Mini Cooper, little pocket rocket. It's got all the mod cons and it's great for just nipping around in, easy to park, no trouble at all. So that one I've Lanoguarded all of my cars. So. Right, this one is my 1965 Ford Zodiac Mark III. I've had this one about 10 years. It's my oldest car and one of my favourites. I just love it. Everyone likes it at shows. It turns a lot of heads. Some of you might have noticed there's a few photographs on the wall because I've had probably somewhere between 200 and 300 cars over the years. I just buy them, keep them for a couple of years and sell them. Some of them I kept longer than others. But on the walls you can see a variety of the ones I've had. They're many and varied. In here we've got my 1972 Volkswagen Beetle. I bought this one last year or year before, and this one is looked after by my friends at Slaughterhouse Customs. In here we've got 2 more cars, both of which have been Lanoguarded, like all of my cars. I do it with Lanoguard because it's really easy and really quick to do, and I've got a little pit down below there, so it's easy to get underneath the cars. But even if you haven't got a pit, they're pretty easy to get out underneath with the little spray nozzle. So we've got the modern one here. This is a Jaguar XKR 2000. On this side we've got the Triumph Stag. This one I've owned twice. I bought it about 9 years ago and then sold it about a year later to a friend who never used it, so I bought it back off him. And I don't plan to sell it because it's a great car, this one. This bottle is enough, they say, to do 2 cars, but I find you can easily do 3.